Hello and welcome to Mint Canvas Studio. If you are a coach, mentor, or consultant who works one-on-one with clients, tell me if this sounds familiar. You've got 3 client sessions back to back, and you know there's a folder with your program materials on your laptop, but finding it before your next session is mission impossible. On top of your daily to-dos, you need to manage payments, update your notes, and find the time to acquire new clients to grow your business. Being your own boss is great. And the work you do with your clients is rewarding, but the admin work can get overwhelming at times. Now, you may think that's normal procedure for a small business owner. It's part of the job and you just accept it, right? Well, what if I told you that you don't have to struggle in your day-to-day and that you can actually enjoy the work you love? It took me a long time to find the right balance and to finally stop feeling like I was drowning in admin tasks. But it doesn't have to be the same for you. Give me 5 minutes and I'll show you the system that turned my workflow upside down. Now, you can try a million different softwares, tools, and apps, but the solution I'm about to show you combines your Google Calendar, your planner, your client list, your notes library, all your resources, and even tracks your invoices. And the best part, you don't need a subscription. All you need is Notion. Sounds too good to be true? Let me show you. Imagine opening your laptop in the morning and seeing all notifications for the day, a calendar for your tasks and for your sessions, any upcoming calls, an overview of your active clients, and a reminder of all payments due this week. Basically, all the essentials of your work at a glance. And most importantly, everything is connected and accessible in one place. Your client list, your appointments and to-dos, your notes, resources, and even your invoices. Now, I'm not saying you need something fancy or you need to be a tech expert, but you do need visibility. You need to know at a glance who you're working with, what's due, and where each client is in their journey. Tools like Notion make it possible to create a system to manage all the admin work you hate and actually savor every moment of the job you love. I have built this system for my coach customers who, like yourself, work one-on-one with clients. And it's based on my own business dashboard. Notion is a white canvas where you can design your own template and set up an effective workspace, especially thanks to its built-in features, like databases and the way they can connect and collect data. A workspace like the one in this video allows you to gather all relevant client information, like their contact details, their profession, their status as a client or lead. And because, as I said, databases can connect and relate to one another in Notion, you can open up a client's page and easily monitor their journey, check their booked sessions, and even access your notes, documents, and even invoices for that specific client. No more scrambling between your Google Drive and calendar or even sticky notes. And that's because your notes database relates to your sessions database, which in turn connects to your client list. Everything has its place, and you can navigate every aspect of your business effortlessly, whether it's client work or admin tasks. A system like this one gave me peace of mind and helped me take control over my workflow, get clarity, and reduce the overwhelming sensation of having too much on your plate. If you want to implement something similar and start working smarter, in the next video I'll teach you how to build a CRM in Notion. But if you need a ready-made solution to supercharge your workflow starting now, there's a link in the description to get the template I showed you. If you're curious to see it in action, check the first link for the complete walkthrough. For now, I want you to ask yourself, what is the one thing you keep losing track of in your coaching business? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. See you in the next video and happy planning!